Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
Put on. To cover a part of your body with a piece of clothing or jewelry, accessories, etc. Sam put on her jacket and went out because of cold weather. Put on. To gain weight. He has put on a lot of weight since he quit the gym. Put off. To change something to a later time or date. Synonym: postpone, delay. My flight put off due to the bad weather condition. Put up. To raise or increase something. If you would like to give an answer, then please put your hand up first. Put up. Fix or hang on a wall or vertical surface. She put a picture up on the wall. Put down. To stop carrying something. I asked him to put the heavy box down. Put down. To write something. I put down bad words in his notebook. Put in. To invest time or efforts. He puts in 10 hours at work every day. Put away. To put something in the place where it is kept because you have finished using it. I'm just going to put the car away in the garage. Put out. To stop something from burning or shining. Firefighters soon put the fire out. Put back. To return something to its usual place or to the place where it was before it was moved. If you have read this book, then put it back. Put over. To communicate your ideas, feeling, etc. successfully to somebody. How do I put these ideas over to the public? Put aside. To save something or keep it available to use. I put aside half an hour every day to write my diary. Put through. To connect somebody by phone. Please hold while I put you through to the sales office. Put forward. To offer an idea or opinion or suggest a plan or person for other people to consider. I have put myself forward for the sales manager job. Put together. To combine people or things or organize something. It took several hours to put the puzzle together.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Yes Kid channel.